Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your social account on Wise. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Wise and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise on in the screen, where you can see your profile name at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply click on that option and now you can see the settings option at the third. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to the settings section, where you can see my account is verified right now, and at the fourth you can see the connected accounts. So simply tap on that fourth option and another section pops out. So you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the Google over here, and at the right side you can see the disconnect option. So you simply need to click on that disconnect option and finally tap or click on the disconnect, and you will be able to disconnect your social account successfully. So basically this is how you can disconnect your social account on Wise, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, continue to comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.